Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your password for FreshBooks, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the FreshBooks login page. Once on the login page, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a new page prompting you to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your FreshBooks account. After entering your email, click the Submit button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from FreshBooks. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for a password reset link. Click on the password reset link provided in the email. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. After confirming your new password, click the Update Password button. Once your password has been updated successfully, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, return to the FreshBooks login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. You have now successfully recovered your password for FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.